Hello everybody, welcome back to ASFR. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 essential tools that will save you hours in SketchUp. So let's jump right into it. First off, we're going to start with our spacebar tool. For example, our spacebar tool is going to allow us to always default back to the cursor. So let's say I draw a line here. While done with my line tool, I don't want to draw another line. Simply hit the spacebar and you're back to your cursor tool. This is super handy when you're working in tight spaces, or just want to get back to the cursor tool quickly instead of going and selecting it from your toolbar. Our next tool is going to be our rectangle tool. This can simply be selected by hitting R on our keyboard and dragging it out to make a rectangle. This is the quickest way to start a floor plan or a wall instead of hunting through the menus. Just tap your arm key. So there's our rectangle. Our next tool is the same thing, but it's a circle tool. We're going to select C on our keyboard and we can draw a circle. This is really good for a column or a hole you need to put into your model. And that's how we do it. Just select C on our keyboard and there we go. Our next tool is going to be our line tool. Also, you can use shortcut L. This is just to draw a straight line. It auto snaps to most of your axes whenever you need it. A way to use the line tool too, if you need it on a certain axis, we can hold down shift and it will lock on that axis. So we're going to split this face on our rectangle across the red axis. Our next tool is going to be our push-pull tool. Also, you can use shortcut P. This is going to allow us to make our 2D object 3D just by pushing and pulling our object. We can go up with it or down. We can also go up and side to side. So that's a super helpful tool and probably SketchUp's most used tool. Our next tool is going to be our move tool. To use our move tool on the model like this, we're going to first hit spacebar, go back to our cursor, select our whole model, and then we're going to use our move tool, shortcut M, select it, and we can move our SketchUp model wherever we need it. This is super helpful for furniture or trying to move a wall around. Our next tool is going to be our Q tool, which is our rotate. So our shortcut Q, put it on the face, and this auto snaps to our axes as well. So we can start it on green, and if we want to move it to our red, turn it 90 degrees. Simple as that, and our shortcut for that is Q. Our next tool is going to be E shortcut, which selects your eraser, and this is simple to erase lines in your model. All you do is hit the line and it will erase it. It also erases the face that was connected to those lines, and we leave it at that. Our next tool is super handy for interior design, or if you get lost in your model. What we're going to do is hit Shift Z, and it's going to bring us back to this certain spot. So this is super helpful if you're doing interiors and somehow you get lost in a wall or something. If we do Shift Z, it brings us back to this space. So again, if I zoom out Shift Z, it brings us right back to here. Our next tool is going to be our Control Z. Control Z is a super handy tool and probably one that most designers use most often. So let me show you an example. We're going to select our pen tool. Let's draw these lines. Doesn't really matter. If I don't like something about this or I want to redo it, we can simply go Control Z. This will just erase your last action you did, and you can keep on hitting it and it will keep bringing back your old stuff. So that's all the face we just erased. And that is super handy for anything you mess up. It's a quick fix to get it back to what it was. And that's it. That's 10 shortcuts in SketchUp that will save you hours of time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out my other beginner SketchUp tutorials for even more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.